Namaste children, we are seeing the lesson Time to Play. So last class we have seen a grammar part from this lesson. Am I right? What we have learnt ma last class is doing words. So doing words is nothing but action words. So action words means what ma? The action what we do. That is action words, right? So today we are going to learn preposition. So what is preposition? Preposition is a word that tells us where a person, a place, an animal or thing is. So this is called preposition. Okay. So preposition has many types. In that today we are going to learn preposition of place. So preposition of place is nothing but where someone or something is. Okay. Let's see some of the examples. The duster, where it is ma? Yes, it is on the table. So here on is the preposition. Look at the board, where it is ma? Yes, it is on the wall. So here on is the preposition. Look at the note, where it is ma? Yes, it is in the bag. Okay, so here in is the preposition. Where is the bag? The bag is below the table. So here below is the preposition. Okay. So see the speaker, where it is? Yes, it is above the board. The speaker is above the board. So here above is the preposition. Let's see some more examples using sentences. Okay children? Read the sentences. So read the sentence ma. The picture on the wall is beautiful. The picture on the wall is beautiful. So in this sentence on is the preposition. Okay. So look at the picture. So in this picture the photos are on the wall. So that's why the picture on the wall is beautiful. So here what is preposition? Yes, on. On is the preposition. Okay. So next, look at the picture and read the sentence. The book is in the bag. The book is in the bag. Here what is preposition? In. In is the preposition. Okay. So see the next picture and read the sentence. The bird is flying above the tree. The bird is flying above the tree. Okay, so here above. Above is the preposition. Okay, so next, look at the picture. Read the sentence ma. The chair is below the shelf. So here below is the preposition. Okay children? Is this clear? Okay, let's do the exercise now. Look at this picture. Complete these sentences using in, on, above and below. So listen children, by seeing the picture we are going to complete the sentence using prepositions like in, on, above and below. Okay children? Yes. So see the first sentence. A man and a boy are dash the park. So see the picture. Observe. A man and a boy are, yes, in the park. A man and a boy are in the park. Okay, very good. So next sentence. The man is sitting dash a bench reading a book. So observe the picture. The man is sitting on a bench. On a bench reading a book. Okay. So next sentence. The bench is dash a tree. Observe the picture. The bench is below a tree. Very good. The bench is below a tree. Next, a boy is flying a kite. A boy is flying a kite. The kite is dash the river. The kite is above the river. Very good. The kite is above the river. Okay, children. Is this clear? Is it okay, ma? Let's learn vocabulary words. So already we have learned 10 words. Is it right, children? So today we are going to learn the remaining words. Okay? So take your English classwork note and put the number 11 and write here. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. Next, combs. C-O-M-B-S. Combs. Next, hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Next word, ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. Now if you have place here, continue. Otherwise turn the page and write. Okay. Next word, open. O-P-E-N. Open. Let's recall. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. Combs. C-O-M-B-S. Combs. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. Last, open. O-P-E-N. Open. So practice these words and write these words in your English classwork note. Okay, children? With this video, you will be receiving worksheet. So write the worksheet in your English classwork note. Okay, children? Thank you.